Hello and welcome to Lynn Europe Clinic YouTube channel. We're back with another video carefully prepared just for you. If you're ready, let's get started. What is a neck thread lift? If you aren't ready for surgery, but buttocks isn't doing enough, there's a middle ground, the thread lift. Often called the lunchtime facelift, this procedure uses dissolvable medical-grade threads to physically lift and tighten the skin of your neck. At Lynn Europe Clinic, we use this for patients who have mild to moderate sagging and want immediate result without the dime time of a scalpel. Dual action, lift plus collagen stimulation. The magic of threads is twofold. First, they provide an immediate mechanical lift, tiny barbs or concerns on the thread's garbs that tissue and pull it back, instantly reducing sagging. Second, and perhaps more importantly, as the threads dissolve over 6 to 9 months, they stimulate your body to produce massive amounts of new collagen. This creates a natural skull fold that keeps the skin tight even after the threads are gone. The procedure: fast and minimally invasive. No general anesthesia, no hospital stay. The procedure is performed under local anesthesia right here in our clinic. We make tiny entry points like a print pick near the ear or jawline. Using a fine cannula, the doctor inserts the threads under the skin, pulls them tight to the desired lift, and turns the excess. The whole procedure takes less than an hour. Recovery. What to expect? You can drive yourself home immediately after. You might feel some tightness, soreness, or a pulling sensation for the first week, but this is normal. You might also see some minor bruising or puckering of the skin, which resolves quickly. At Lynn Europe Clinic, we advise you to avoid opening your mouth too wide, no dental appointments or big burgers for about 2 weeks to allow the threads to uncore securely. Realistic expectation, threads versus surgery. We value honesty at Lynn Europe Clinic. A thread lift is not a surgical neck lift. It will not remove excess skin. If you have a lot of loose skin, turkey neck, threads might pucker the skin rather than smooth it. Threads are best for patients with good skin quality who just won't need a refresh or 1 to 2 centimeter lift. The result typically lasts 12 to 18 months. The result: smoother, tighter, defined. For the right candidate, the results are fantastic. You walk out looking defined with a sharper jaw neck angle. It's a subtle enhancement that doesn't scream, "I had surgery." It restores the V shape of youth naturally. Want to lift your neck without going under the knife? The thread lift may be the perfect solution. Quick, effective, and collagen boosting. Contact Lynn Europe Clinic today to see if this technology is right for you. Ready to take the next steps? Click in the link in the description. Take your free consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.